Welcome back to Session 18 of GED Geometry Review. Three coordinate tools show up again and again: distance, midpoint, and slope. The skill is choosing the right one for what the question asks. First, distance. How far apart 2 points are. The distance formula is the square root of the change in x squared plus the change in y squared. It is really the Pythagorean theorem applied to the grid. Let's measure from the origin to 6, 8. The changes are 6 and 8, so distance is the square root of 36 plus 64, which is the square root of 100, or 10. Next, the midpoint, the exact middle of 2 points. Average the x-coordinates and average the y-coordinates. For 2, 4, and 8, 10, the midpoint is 5, 7. Third, slope, how steep a line is. Slope is rise over run, the change in y divided by the change in x. From 1, 2 to 3, 8, the rise is 6 and the run is 2, so the slope is 3. The biggest mistake is grabbing the wrong tool. If the question asks how far apart 2 points are, that is distance, not midpoint. Match the tool to the wording before you calculate. Quick check. Which formula finds how far apart 2 points are? How far apart means length, so that is the distance formula. To recap, distance is the square root of the squared changes. Midpoint averages the coordinates, and slope is rise over run. Read the question, then pick the matching tool. Great work! Try each of the 3 formulas once, and I'll see you in the next session.